Hello everybody, this is Vincent from Affiliate Theme.io, and this video is about the AdCell plugin from our website. So let's get right into it. In order to install the theme, you have to download it first. So we're going to import. And here we have a list of all import plugins we offer. And one of them is AdCell, or the AdCell API. So first of all, you just download the zip file here, and after you download the zip file, you go to plugins, click add new, you click upload plugin, just drag and drop the file here, or click choose file, and then click install now. So the most important part is that you activate the theme at the end. So you will have a little link at the end that says activate, just click it. If you don't activate the theme, it's not going to work. So I already installed, but not yet activated the theme. So now we're just going to activate the theme here. So I'm just clicking activate. And after we activated the theme, we can go back to the import tab and we will find a new link called AdCell. So then we get right into the interface of this plugin, and we're starting with the general settings. So first of all, you will have to enter your login data from AdCell. So you will have to be a partner, or at least you have to have an account at AdCell in order to use that plugin. So you will have to enter your username, your password, and then other options are following. So if you don't know where or how to find this information, just go to our documentation, search for AdCell, and you will be directed to this article. And here it's explained in detail where and how to find this data. So let's take a look at the remaining options here. So first of all, we have the product status. So this basically defines if an imported product should be published immediately or if it should be a draft at first. So for example, you can import plenty of products and they are just a draft if you choose the option draft here, and that means they are not yet visible to the public, and you can still edit them according to your needs. So you can decide this here if you want it to be published immediately, so visible to the public right away after importing it, or let them be a draft at first. Secondly, you can define if the product descriptions should be imported as well. This means that, for example, just imagine Amazon and you go to the product page, there's already plenty of text and or images. And in some cases you might want to import those product descriptions already, so you have content on your website right away. You don't have to, but you can activate this option here. And last but not least, you can choose the check product settings here. So if a product is checked and is maybe not available anymore, it can be set as a product draft. If you want to know more about this, I just recommend you again to read the documentation here. So next, let's move on to the search tab. So the search tab is the actual heart of this plugin. So here you can actually import products to your system. So first of all, you can just search for a keyword that corresponds to the product you want to import. You can choose an affiliate program. So why should you choose an affiliate program here? You already have a contract or a login for AdCell. Well, AdCell is basically an intermediate between a variety of shops existing online and you as an affiliator, and all those shops online, they don't have their own affiliate network and affiliate program, so they just go to AdCell and say, hey, you can import all our product data, and you just give this to affiliates all over the world who want to use our data and or sell our products. So that's why you have to choose, or you can choose a shop here. And then you just search for a term and click search, and a list will appear. So next, let's take a look at the API log. So the API log basically records every event of this plugin. So event means, for example, an import or an update of an existing product. And it really tracks, apart from those two cases, any event in this list. or in this log. And this log only shows the last 200 entries, and if you're like too confused with everything here, or you don't really need the log right now, you can delete it manually here. So you are wondering maybe, well, what do I need this log for? I'm an affiliate, I don't want to deal with all the technical details here. Well, just imagine you imported a product and it's updated and you see that something's wrong with it. I don't know, an image changed or disappeared, and you want to know why and where this comes from. So you can just take a look at the API log and maybe like see what the message says here when this event happened, and this might give you like a first hint to solve your problem. The next tab is buttons. So here you can define the text of the buy button for products imported from Adcel / partner of Adcel, of course, because mostly it's not directly from Adcel, but from a shop that has a partnership with Adcel. So you can see that you have here the short version and the long version. So the short version is for buttons on your website where there's just a little space and only the small version will be displayed, and then you have the regular buy button that appears, for example, in a comparison table on your landing page, and you can just change it here to your needs. You can also add %s, which stands for, or is an abbreviation for shop. This S, so this means that the name of the shop that you imported the product from will be displayed. So remember again, Adcel is an affiliate network, so there can be a variety of shops you import a product from, and of course in the buy button, well, it should mention the name of the shop you imported the product from should be mentioned, so the customer knows I click on this buy button and I'm going to, I don't know, the shop XY, or I go to Amazon, I go to eBay. So this is why we have this %s, because there can be like different shops that have a cooperation with Adcel. So we just click save changes. Last but not least, we still have the help tab over here. So this is just going to direct you to our documentation, where you can find, for example, the article about Adcel, which will explain you, as I told you before, like where and how to find your login data, but also like other things that might be helpful if you have any trouble with that plugin.